Hello, this is a quick look and unboxing at the Unigear. This is the 50-liter ski bag, and it's basically a ski bag backpack. You can go ahead and open it up. Comes in this plastic wrapping here. It's obviously not a box here. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, again, Unigear, 50-liter. The idea is to be able to store your ski boots and or helmet. I don't know if you can do it all. We will see. So here you go. This is a blue and yellow here. Going to go ahead and take off some of the extra material. Look at that. So yeah, here's again typical backpack straps here, and so anything special here. Prepare for all your trucks ahead. Yada yada yada. So on the back side, this is the first pouch here. So nice and deep. As you can see, this is super deep. So I'm not sure the best way to put in, maybe you put your ski boots in here with your helmet, I don't know. But as you can see, it is really, really deep, really wide there. Well, let me go ahead and zip it back up. Feels good, nice quality. This is a nice padded region here. So should be nice for carrying. So then, of course, we have this zippered compartment on the upper end here. Okay, so I can see that this area here would probably be for your helmet, right here on top. And then your boots would go in on the back. Let's see if you can access from this side, or this is just another compartment. Aha, so just another compartment. So I could see your goggles and whatnot going in there. Here's a Velcroed opening there. So I could see your goggles, personal items going in there, your helmet going in the top here, and then of course your boots going in the back. And you have all sorts of different straps for adjustment on the top. And you're gonna have straps for your whole shoulder straps here, adjustment here, and on the bottom. So by first look at it, I have not had a backpack to carry my stuff. I just throw it in the car loose, but this is pretty sweet. Nice handle here to hook this on something. So far looks good. I like the color and the concept I really like. So far so good. Love the first impressions. We're gonna load it up with boots and helmet and see how it all fits next.